Want to learn how to make this blood drip lava lamp style tumbler?
Continue watching.
Hog Snowglobe Tumbler. Sub your print onto the tumbler. Here I'm adding UV resin to bond and seal the acrylic part to the stainless steel part of tumbler. Use a heat gun to pop those bubbles and thin out resin. Tap the cup to help the resin settle. Slowly add the cover to the tumbler so the resin doesn't spill out too much. Push down and tap to make the cover hit the top and then cure. I waited 24 hours to fill with my custom liquid.
Use a wash bottle to add your mixed liquid blood into the tumbler.
Put as much as you want. You can always add more later if needed. I wanted the blood to look darker, so I added a few drops of black alcohol ink. Shake, shake, shake and mix well. Add to the liquid that's already in there, glycerin and color.
Look at that drip.
The struggle is real, y'all. Clean off any glycerin that may have spilled on the bottom with alcohol. Now add your baby oil to fill the rest of the tumbler.
I'm adding more glycerin blood.
Don't come for me, y'all.
Doing this just helps fill the tumbler all the way. Plug the hole. Thoroughly clean with alcohol again. Here I'm sanding the bottom so I can add UV resin to seal the plug. Use that alcohol again, you'll thank me later. I forgot to hit record. I mixed red alcohol ink with the UV resin and cured the resin. Here I added black alcohol ink to some more resin and cured as well. Here I'm just adding regular UV resin to make the bottom even. Swirly swirl.
Because I love glitter, it looks like drops of blood.
I created a replica of Negan's Bat Lucille. Custom lid topper, featuring Negan's bat, a zombie hand, some skulls, and zombie blood. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.